Priority embeds AI into its core architecture, creating not just an ERP with AI features, but an inherently intelligent platform that thinks alongside you. Priority AI ERP is built on 3 AI pillars. The assistant makes the experience easier and more intuitive. The advisor delivers timely insights for decisions, and the agentic pillar adds conversational agents for deeper automation and cross-process orchestration. Perform advanced searches using your own words. The system recommends useful actions based on behavioral patterns. Create your own business rules by simply writing what you want to do. The system automatically creates the business rule and triggers actions like sending emails. An AI writing assistant helps users craft professional, accurate, tailored messages. AI-powered descriptive analytics changes the way charts and reports can be analyzed. Powered by AI and machine learning, Priority's prediction engine trains forecasting models on historical data and optional inputs, then feeds the results into downstream planning. AI optimizes routes in advanced delivery planning to better plan delivery routes, saving time and costs. And this is only a taste. Priority supports every step of your AI journey, with AI embedded across the ERP and new capabilities added continuously.